Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to print out, how to show your what they call status of your toner on HP laserjet pro 500 mfp 525. Yes, so the menu is like this. You just slide this side, then you go to supplies. You can see you touch on black cartridge. You can see now how much papers we have. We say we have more than 10%, more than what, 10,000 copies. You see, it said it has printed already 2,000 copies. So you can see here, like it shows okay, status okay, it means it's good, installed. You get me, everything is 100% fine. So if you want to print that also, you can go here down and print out that. You press here. Okay, let me print. I'm trying to press. No, it doesn't give me that. I thought it could give me the print because okay, it's gonna give me. So it was just a little bit slow. You can see preparing to print. Yeah, it gave me a lot of configuration pages, things which I didn't ask for, but anyways, fine. You can see, well, you can see even the quality of the page is super good. So it gave me that. Document feeder kit, it's low. Then black cartridge, you can see where it is. It can give you more than 10,000. You get me? So that's the serial number of the cartridge, I think. And another page say printed with status supply, 2,000 already printed. First installed date 2020. Wow, we're in 2023, but this machine, the toner was installed, no, last, okay, yeah, the toner was installed in 2020 July 21. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, yeah, you can see all the information. On this page, it shows everything, so you can print it out. I wonder why it gave me, oh, it gave me 3, so that's why you can see even it says 90%. The toner is still on 90%, which means I have a lot of pages to print. Okay, let me see another page. Yeah, same, because I clicked 3 times, that's why it gave me 3 copies. Well, that's good. I've been working on this machine, so it's gonna be ready to go to whoever wants to buy it. Okay, that's fine. What else can I show you guys? You can scroll this side and go to reports. That's where you're gonna see your page counter. You click on configurations, then you can say page usage, then you print on the screen. But if you want to print it also, you can. I don't want to waste my papers. You can see the total pages I've printed is 115,583. Those were pages printed. But if you make a copy, it's gonna count. If you make this printout, it won't be counted. Still, it's gonna show him this. So it only count when you make a copy or print from something else, not from these reports. Okay, it will show you F5. It's gonna show you 309,000. 3 151. Wow, this is equivalent compression letter A4. That's what they give us. Okay, paper size. Oh, scan counts by destination. Okay, this is also a different thing, you get me? So but the real mileage on the printer is this one, 309,000. You get me? So that's it. Okay, that's fine. You can see it gives you age and everything here. Well, that's the machine. I hope that helped, guys. The HP, I want to give you what they tell us here. Laserjet Pro m525. You can see that 525. Yes, that's the machine. It's a black and white machine, and also it copies, print, fax. It doesn't have Wi-Fi, but you can connect using a network cable. It also does scan on USB. You can put your USB here. The USB is on the side here. You can see by the side here. It's pretty good. It's a good machine. You see the screen can move like this and that. So you can see copy, scan, fax, print, whatever. It has a lot of features. Okay, yeah. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. That was the end of our video. I hope to see you in the next video. Okay, anyway, this is the tray where you put your papers. This is where you put your bypass in case the main tray doesn't work. And also, this is where you put your cartridge. You get me? Okay, those are 3 things I wanted to show you. So, I'm gonna off the machine. I was just testing it. So to off the machine, you can press here. Then to start, it's off. Then you take it out of power. Well, that's it. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.